Welcome to a lo-fi review of the new Keychron K2 HE Concrete. Here's what the box looks like. Here's what comes in the box. This nice quick start guide, user manual, this nice piece of plastic, extra keycaps, screwdriver for opening the plating, USB, keycap and switch puller. And here is the keyboard itself. That is actual, real concrete. Decided to do a review of this because I hadn't seen one and was really curious about it, so I got it. It's currently like 200 bucks exactly. And this thing is heavy. Here's the buttons and USB-C slot, a switch for Bluetooth and for Mac or PC. This thing is seriously heavy. So you might be thinking, concrete? That's a weird material to make a keyboard out of. That's like what rocks are made out of, right? And you would be correct. Are the keycaps made of concrete too? No, they're double shot BBT. And this is a little preliminary sound test. Doesn't sound too crazy, but this is a 1 kilohertz. So this is an HE magnetic keyboard. Uses these Nebula linear Gateron magnetic switches. And it has a 1000 hertz polling rate, which isn't the fastest in the game of what am I trying to think of, magnetic keyboards, but it is still serviceable enough. I'll do another sound test with a condenser microphone so that we can hear it a little better in a better sound treated space. Well, anyway, this has been the Keychron K2 HE Concrete Edition, and